What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Something's about to get drilled. I needed a cordless drill, and since I have Black & Decker hardware that includes batteries, I thought I'd get a cordless drill from Black & Decker, and this one comes with a battery and 1.5 amp hours. I also have the aftermarket batteries because you can get those in like 2 amp hours, so get extra capacity. Right, we also have the charging cable, 2-prong plug there, and right on here you'll have a flashing LED light that flashes when it's charging, solid green when it's charged. This thing goes on here just like that, so it's pretty easy, and you can plug that sucker in. We do have an instruction manual, and then here is the cordless drill, and what I need, so you can see right there, it's got nice weight to it. It's really quite small too, you know. Hey, take a look at like this cordless screwdriver, you know, it's actually not that much bigger, but so much more useful. And you have the reversing switch here, kind of like a cross button safety, and you have your adjustment to the torque right here, so you can go all the way up, the line is right there, go all the way up to 10, or to the wood drill. You have a finger adjustable chuck right here, kind of a nice trigger. There's no particular brake, no particular wall, just pull it all the way back. I do like this. All this black right here is kind of a tacky rubberized texture, so that's kind of nice. We also have on the back here a Phillips head and flathead screwdriver attachment, so you can drop that in there. So you've got one handy, and then I'm hoping there's just maybe a little bit of a charge in the battery. You can see here, this goes on like that. Boom, locked and loaded, and woo, sucker runs. And what you might be able to see there is a really tiny LED. So when you are drilling, you've got that lit up too. So I actually really like that. That's pretty nice, pretty nifty. If you want to pick this up, it was also one of the cheapest cordless drills with the battery and the charger, and a name that you know and trust. I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.